the Director, TCAP, International Atomic Energy Agency, Mr. Dan, the Permanent Secretary of Agriculture, I think he had traveled back to Cuba this afternoon, but distinguished delegates, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. It's Naka, and a very good afternoon or good evening to you all. On behalf of the Government of Fiji and the Ministry of Agriculture and Waterways, it is a great privilege to welcome you all to our beautiful paradise of home, Fiji. In my capacity as the Assistant Minister for Agriculture and Waterways, I extend my warmest greeting to you all. The venue of this meeting has been rightly chosen. Nadi, the gateway to Fiji, it's also a tourist town and has a lot to offer. We are truly delighted to host such a distinguished gathering to experts and partners from across the Pacific region. Your presence here is a testament to the enduring value of international cooperation and the power of shared goals. You have traveled great distances across the time zones and borders to be here. This alone reflects your commitment not only to the purpose of your visit, but the greater goal that we all share. Strengthening international cooperation and building a better, more connected, and more peaceful world. I want to take this moment to reflect on what brings us together, not just this evening, but as partners on the global stage. At the heart of our collaboration lies a fundamental truth that we are stronger when we act together. No country, no matter how powerful or resourceful, cannot address today's challenges in isolation. The issues we face, whether economical, inequality, cybersecurity, migration, or sustainable development, are all very complex and interconnected. They require cooperation that is genuine, inclusive, and forward-looking. That's why we place such a high value on multilateralism, not because it is always easy or swift, but because it allows us to pursue solutions that are fair, balanced, and respectful of the diverse realities we each present. Gathering at such provide new opportunities and build network which can be used to undertake the development within our countries. I thank RCA for choosing Fiji as their venue for this regional meeting. Fiji, including other Pacific Island countries, possesses limited knowledge and resources for the safe use of nuclear energy within our region. Meeting as such, we provide more awareness that atomic energy is not only making destructive weapons, but can also be used for improving human lives on this earth. As we move forward, I would like to congratulate Fiji for taking up the role of chair to navigate the organization for 1 year before passing on the baton to the next country. Ladies and gentlemen, beyond the conference rooms and the official meeting places, I encourage you to take time to experience the rich cultural heritage of Fiji. Whether it's through our cuisines, our arts, our landscapes, and the warmth of our people, I hope you leave with a sense of what makes our country unique, and more importantly, what makes it open to the world. This evening, as we enjoy this reception, let us also take a moment to reflect on the deeper purpose of our gathering. In a world that often emphasizes division, gathering like this reminds us of our shared unity. They remind us that behind every flag is a community, behind every policy is a person, and behind every nation is a story. Let tonight be a celebration of those stories, of the common hopes we hold, the challenges we face, and the future we aspire to build together. So in closing, I wish to thank our host, our organizing team from the Ministry of Agriculture, Waterways, and the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, our partners, and each of you for the work you do in launching safe, secure, and peaceful use of nuclear energy through this cooperation. Please enjoy the evening, the hospitality, and the company of those around you. The friendship, partnership, and to the progress. Welcome us.